Hey guys, so today I've got some of these Diablo carbide teeth hole saws, and this is a different setup than your traditional hole saw. So you see this funny looking nut on the bottom. That's actually made into the hole saw on this one. So if you take a look at the hole saws here, those little teeth are carbide. So that's going to make this hole saw last a lot longer than a normal hole saw. But the magic ingredient here is this Snap Lock Plus Arbor. So what Diablo's done with this kit is they've made a snap in, snap out hole saw change. So what that does is that keeps your hole saws from over torquing and stripping threads and stuff like that. You just slide your hole saw down over the pilot bit and then push it down in there just like this. Well, you got to pull the lock back. I don't know if I can do this with one hand or not. Alright. No, I can't get it. Yeah, there it went. Okay. So yeah, you just grab it, line it up, and then pull it down in there and it locks. And then whenever you want to release it, you just pull that black piece back. So it locks, then you unlock it. So to take the pilot bit out, same thing, pull this back. Hang on, I got some help here. Just pull that back, grab that pilot bit, pop it out. And that pilot bit's got a impact attachment on the end of it. So hang on, the camera lost focus, sorry guys. It's got a impact attachment on it, so you can run it in the impact also and snap it right back down in there. Easy change out. And then with the kit also comes these adapters. So this adapter is essentially the same thing that's on the bottom of this hole saw, right? But you just screw your hole saw on. So before I show you that, now's a good time to go down here at the bottom corner of the screen and click the subscribe button. It helps our channel greatly and it doesn't cost you anything, so we would appreciate it very much. Now here I've already got one screwed in. This is a small, made for small hole saws. So if you notice how small that is, it's two different size hole saws. But then just screw your regular saw down on there, just like that. And once you get it screwed on, it just snaps right in like the other one. Line it up, snap it in. Very simple. So there'll be a link in the description where you can find this Snap Lock Plus hole saw kit, and I'll also put a link in there for some more pilot bits. Hopefully y'all enjoy this video and have a great day.